Does Medicare cover knee replacement surgery? Knee replacement surgery is a common procedure that can help to alleviate pain and improve mobility. Fortunately, Original Medicare, which includes Part A, hospital insurance, and Part B, medical insurance, provides coverage if the procedure is medically necessary. If your knee surgery is an inpatient procedure that requires a hospital stay, Medicare Part A will provide coverage for the associated hospital costs. On the other hand, if you undergo outpatient knee surgery, Medicare Part B will cover the physician's fees and other outpatient services. It's important to note that while Medicare covers knee replacement surgery, it doesn't cover the entire cost. You'll still be responsible for deductibles, copays, and coinsurance. For more information about Medicare, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Medicare videos.